bread in here. One slice.
Ouch! Yay!
Hello everyone, how are you feeling today? How are you feeling today, Didi? You okay? Welcome to our modeling clay kitchen. Oh my goodness, so exciting. All right, let's start modeling some clay. All right, we have so many colors and we have molds.
Let's do it!
Look at that. So we can make a pizza, prawns, and all sorts of things. And let's just play with it. I have a hob in here. I have some pots and a pan. I have a plate, some cutlery. In here I have, a fork, a spoon. I'm gonna start with the pizza. We need the dough. I will use this shape so I can create the pizza.
Yummy!
Wow.
We have the dough. We need some cheese on top.
That's delicious!
Wow.
Let's use the molds. Maybe some onion. This looks like an onion mold.
Oh boy.
Right. Some onion, maybe some tomatoes.
Oh, I love it.
Look at that. Haha. Maybe some salad. We need a bit of green for the salad here. Need more green. Look at that. We have a slice of healthy pizza with onion, with tomato and salad. Now let's take the pizza. We have a slice of pizza in here. Oh wow, that's amazing. All right, now I should create a hamburger, a tiny, tiny little hamburger. All right, so let's see. We have some molds in here. We need the buns for the hamburger.
That's delicious!
So I'm gonna use this mold in here. I have the bottom of the burger. I'll just place it right here. We'll come back later. The other bun, the top one, the one which has sesame seeds as well. Here is the top one. Now let's make the burger.
Yes!
Look at that. We have the burger.
Bingo.
What else? Maybe one slice of tomato. Oh, look at that. Oh, so pretty. Maybe some onion.
Let's do it.
Onion. Now some salad. Salad.
Good job.
Look at that. And the last one, a slice of cheese. A big one. What do you think?
Yes.
Oh my goodness, look at that.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, a tiny hamburger. Look at that. That's amazing. All right, now I should use the pan and I'll create a fried egg. Okay, some egg white. I don't have a mold, but I'm going to use just my imagination in here. And now we need a yolk. Place it in here. And we have a fried egg. All right, let's turn the heat on. And we have a fried egg. All right. What about a boiled egg? We need a bigger yellow bowl. The yolk. This is called the yolk from the egg. All right. So we have a bigger bowl and we will use less white than before. Let's see if it works. All right. And let's place the bowl in here. And let's cover it with the white. Hopefully it will be better this time and the boiled egg will look better. Maybe if we boil the egg a bit more, what do you think? Okay. All right, let's see. Oh, it looks a bit better. Look, we have some boiled eggs as well. And now a majestic cake. All right. I'm thinking a purple cake with blue icing. All right.
Yummy.
Good job.
All right, some blue icing. So how are we going to do this? Put the icing in here and I'm just going to do this. I'm going to take this and place it on the cake. And now we have some icing as well.
Bingo!
Let's remove what we don't need. Star. Oh, look at the happy birthday sign in here. The cake topper. Let's remove what we don't need.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday! And we have a tiny cake as well. And we need a bit of something else on our plate too, maybe some prawns. I'm gonna use these molds to create some modeling clay food.
delicious.
This is interesting. I don't know if it's going to work. Let's see. Let's take it out. Let's see if it works. Oh, I think it worked. We just need to remove some bits. We have a prawn, a king prawn, and now a mushroom. Mushroom. I'm gonna use the mold for watermelon.
Yummy!
I'm going to add some seeds as well, some black seeds.
Yes.
Good job.
I love it!
And another slice of cheese because I love cheese. What if we make a sandwich with ham and cheese and salad? Yes, all right, so we need some bread. Bread in here. One slice. The second one, and now we need some ham. We're going to use some pink with purple combined. Let's create the ham. And then some salad, and I think we're good to go on a trip. We have ham, cheese, and we need some salad now. I'm going to use this mold for the salad. And we have a sandwich as well.
Good job.
Look at that. Oh, look what I did. I was a chef, a modeling clay chef, and I made my own burger, boiled egg, pizza, fried egg, sandwich. I have some king prawns, mushrooms, tomatoes, and watermelon. Isn't this really, really cool? Oh, I almost forgot about this cake. Happy birthday!